Hey friends, happy Tuesday. So in math, we have been practicing solving comparing word problems or problems that compare two groups. And sometimes these word problems ask us to find how many more or how many fewer. And we've been practicing those all year. First, we learned how to draw pictures and match up the groups. Then we learned how to subtract you take the large group minus the small group and then find your difference or your more or fewer number. And lastly, we practiced using comparison bars where the more or fewer number is in that oval at the end of one of the comparison bars. So we've been practicing how to solve those problems. And then last week, we started learning about how to solve problems when the story tells us how many more or how many fewer, but we have to figure out how many are in one of the groups. So last week, we started learning about the word problems where we're missing the fewer group. We're missing the small group. So today we're going to practice one more story problem where we are missing the small group. We have to figure out how many are in the smaller group. And then we're going to practice one story problem where we're thinking about what's in the large group. We don't know how many things are in the big group. So I'm going to share my screen with you and we are going to get started. So I told you that we would practice our high fives. So let me start my slides. Let's read the story together. Mrs. K gave away 5 high five stickers. Mrs. Hamlet gave away 3 more stickers than Miss K. How many stickers did Miss Hamlet give away? Okay, so here's what we need to do. We listened first. So now we're going to go back and figure out what we know and what the question wants us to figure out. So we know that Miss K gave away 5 high five stickers. You guys must have been doing pretty great for me to give away 5 high five stickers. Mrs. Hamlet gave away 3 more stickers than Miss K. So is that saying that Mrs. Hamlet gave away 3 stickers? No, it's saying that Miss Hamlet gave away 3 more stickers. So who gave away more stickers, me or Miss Hamlet? Miss Hamlet, because it says Miss Hamlet gave away more stickers. How many stickers did Miss Hamlet give away? Okay, so first we have to decide how to label our bars. Remember, we have the long bar, that's the person who has the bigger group, and the short bar is the person who has the smaller group. So who gave away more stickers? Miss Hamlet, because it says Miss Hamlet gave away 3 more stickers than Miss K. So I'm going to put an H for Hamlet. Okay, so that means that K for Miss K, that's going to be me. So do we know how many stickers Miss Hamlet gave away? No, that's what our question is asking us to figure out. How many stickers did Miss Hamlet give away? So I'm going to put a big question mark right here because I don't know. Do we know how many stickers I gave away? Yeah, I gave away 5. Okay, and do we know our more or fewer number? We do. It says Mrs. Hamlet gave away 3 more stickers than Miss K. So that's going to be a 3 right there. So now we have to figure out how many stickers Miss Hamlet gave away. Well, look, this kind of looks like a number bond, doesn't it? Where we have total at the top. And then my 5 stickers plus the 3 more that Miss Hamlet gave away. Let's see, what is 5 plus 3? We know our partners, so we know that 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good job. So how many stickers did Miss Hamlet give away? 8. Oops, my handwriting isn't perfect, but that's okay. 8 stickers. Okay, so when you're reading these story problems, you have to look really closely to try to figure out where did these numbers go? Because a mistake that a lot of kids make when we are doing these kinds of problems is they say, all right, Miss Hamlet gave away 3 more stickers than Miss K. Well, then they say Miss Hamlet gave away 3 stickers. And is that true? No, so you have to be really careful to make sure that you see that she gave away 3 more stickers. So that way we know that that 3 goes in that more or fewer circle, okay? All right, friends. So let's try one more story. And you know, I kind of needed a laugh today because I had to get up really early this morning. So I've got a funny story for us. Oh my goodness, it's a baby in a toilet. Thomas fell into the toilet 8 times. Ellie fell into the toilet 3 fewer times than Thomas. How many times did Ellie fall into the toilet? This is such a silly story. So we know that Thomas fell into the toilet 8 times. Ellie fell into the toilet 3 fewer times. Oh, there's that more fewer word right there. So we know where that 3 is going to go. How many times did Ellie fall into the toilet? So let's think about it. We have to decide who gets the long bar and who gets the short bar. So Thomas fell into the toilet 8 times. Ellie fell into the toilet 3 fewer times. So Ellie fell into the toilet fewer times, which means Ellie is going to have the short bar and Thomas is going to have the long bar. Do we know what goes in Thomas's bar? Do we know how many times he fell into the toilet? 8 times. We're going to put an 8 right here, okay? Do we know how many times Ellie fell into the toilet? No, but we do know that it's 3 fewer times than Thomas. So we know that goes in our more or fewer oval. We're trying to figure out how many times Ellie fell into the toilet. I think that if I were a baby, I think it would only take 1 time. I don't think I would fall into it more than once. What do you think? Sounds pretty gross. So now I turn it into my number bond. So I've got 8 on top. And then I've got the number of times that Ellie fell into the toilet plus the 3 times. Can we figure this out? Well, I could take 8, which is our whole, it's our big number, right? Minus 3, that's the part that we know, right? That's our partner, equals box. What is 8 minus 3? 5, good job. Or if you want to solve it with the number bond, you can. If you want to count on to solve it, you can. So how many times did Ellie fall into the toilet? 5 times. Great job, friends. You rock. All right, so on Seesaw today, you have one story problem that you need to solve with comparison bars, and you are not trying to find the more or fewer number. You are trying to find one of the numbers that go into the bar. So make sure that you read that story super duper carefully. On our Google site, I'm also going to put up some fun math fluency practice. You remember when we used to do sprints when we were in school with our Eureka books? But I'm going to put up some fun practice just to make sure that you remember all of those things that you need to have locked in your brain for 2nd grade. All right, friends, have a great day. I can't wait to see what great work you do on Seesaw today.